Yo, what is up, guys? So a little bit different video. Remember how I said I was gonna do more vlogs and motovlogs, kind of mix it in? Well, today it's kind of rainy outside, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I kind of want to film a day in the life. So I got everything I need right here. I got my helmet to do motovlogs. There's a tripod somewhere over here that I'm gonna bring. And I'm just gonna experiment doing a day in the life. So this is how I would set up for motovlogs. And yeah, let's get into it. So I'm bringing these GoPro mounts because I'm going to try a few different angles. So I'm going to bring a couple more. And yeah, I'm going to go to the park and just try and film and see what happens. First step done.
And just like that, now we're on the bike. Ready to head towards the park. So it is a weekend, so it's probably going to be busy, and it is kind of chilly, but I don't know, I kind of like this aesthetic, kind of foggy, cloudy, you know, kind of look. Oh, look, there's another motorcycle. Oh, he's got one of those things that's attached to his blinker. His helmet, you guys can't tell, but his helmet's like lit up. Oh, that's so sick. That's cool. Now we're right behind each other. But yeah, it's gonna be kind of busy. I'm gonna go on a little hike just so I can, you know, have something to do and film. Just got off the highway. If you remember in last video, oh, I see a C8 hidden over there in that driveway. If you remember in last video, I tried to avoid on the highways now because of that annoying fucking whistle. Like it drives me nuts. So if it drives me nuts, then I know damn well it drives the people that watch these videos nuts. So we're finally off the highway. Almost there, like 2.5, you know, 2 minutes. I don't know when the last time I made a video at this park was. I think it was actually a Pokemon Go video, so a while ago. But the last video you saw was, of course, edited on my new iPad. And let me tell you, it's a lot fucking faster. It's a lot faster. All right, on our way down. Almost there. It looks a little busy, but not too bad, which that's exactly what we want. Oh, that's cool. That bike's like murdered out. Now I know it's not as big as it used to be. That's what she said. But there is a Pokemon Go community day today. And this is like the huge hub. Like a huge hub. Like this is where everybody goes to play basically. I'm hoping there's not, oh, another C8, holy shit. I'm hoping it's not too bad, but I'm gonna probably have to look for parking. Let's see if there's any parking in this lot. Ooh, there is a spot. There is a couple spots actually. All right, I just made it to the park. It's not too bad. I can't flip over the camera and show you because I can't do it while I'm videoing. Left the bike, parked, found a really good spot actually. Left my helmet, changed shoes, so now I'm in my running shoes so I can, you know, not ruin those really expensive motorcycle boots. But yeah, I'm gonna try and go near the water because it's not frozen, and get some B-roll. There was almost a car accident up here. Yeah, we're gonna try and get some B-roll. I've been walking for a little while now. I'd say probably maybe half a mile. I'm almost to the spot I can think of where I'm gonna set up and maybe do a time lapse and some B-roll. So I'm almost there. I think I can feel a little bit of rain. It's kind of cold out here, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, we're almost there. So I can definitely feel a little bit of rain, just a little bit, not too bad. I'm going under a bridge right now, but if it rains too bad, all my camera equipment is on my bike, so I'm gonna have to hurry back if it starts to do too bad. And hopefully my helmet doesn't get stolen, so let's hope not. Well, I've changed my mind. I've decided to go on an actual like hike. So I'm gonna see if I can find a cool spot. I'm right next to where I usually was set up for a time lapse, but I'm on the other side of the river from it. There's a cactus right here. So I'm gonna see about, because I don't know if I can really get down there. Let me flip the camera and show you. See, I'm way up here. There's actually a branch on me. And I like to sit on those rocks over there. But there's not really a good spot for a time lapse. I'm like, can't tell, but I'm actually like kind of high up here, so. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna go hike and get higher up. Screw it.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can take all the time that you need. I know that you were.
Actually, the last time that I was on this trail, I almost died to a rattlesnake. So it's kind of snowy, and my shoes have absolutely no grip. So I'm probably gonna fall and bust my ass. But let's hope that we do. Oh, I just got my socks soaking wet. God dang it. Yeah, I'm not gonna go too much further up here. Maybe to this bend, because my shoes are getting soaked, and my socks inside are getting soaked. Oh, there's a rabbit right here. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, let's see here. How can I do this without dying? Maybe go up here. I almost died. I wasn't filming, but I fell. Great. Now my ass is wet. All right. Yeah, we're just gonna turn around right here. I don't have the right shoes for this. God dang it. Luckily, I don't think anybody saw me, but I just busted my, dude, fuck. Now my ass is soaking fucking wet. Now this is gonna be scary. It's ice, and it's downhill. I'll show you my tread on my shoes when I get down here. Oh, there, see? There it was. Oh, God. Yeah, look at the bottom of my shoes. I've had these shoes for like 6 years, don't judge me. All right, I think I'm just gonna go film a time lapse. A really pretty girl just walked past me, and I'm all wet and muddy. God dang it.
Okay, we've arrived, as you can probably hear. The bridge that I just crossed is right behind me. But there's a lot. It's kind of like a really good spot. It's kind of shitty ground, so I don't know how I'm gonna be able to set up this tripod. But I'm gonna try and get a time lapse. So here we go.
I've been trying in vain to hold on. No matter what I say, keeping you close shouldn't be hard. If you were honest when you said you missed me. You've played with my pride, making me feel like we had something real, and making you stay shouldn't feel wrong. This is the
Alright, I took a bunch of different shots. They're probably dog shit, but you know, it's my first time trying this, so I'm gonna try a couple more and start walking back towards the bike.
You remember how I said, you know, Pokemon Go is like big and not as big as it once was? Well, my friend invited me to a raid. Never had this Pokemon, and I got the shiny, right, the first one. I'll put the picture right here. It's a shiny Rockruff, so yeah, I got that while I was out hiking. That's pretty cool.
I want to talk to you.
Not now, later.
No, now. I still love you.
Alright, I've been home for a little while. I actually ended the video on my motorcycle, as in like a motovlog form. But I realized when I got home that my mic wasn't even plugged in. So I have none of that. So I'm doing this instead. But yeah, I want to do more day in the life stuff. This was just kind of an experiment to kind of flirt with B-roll and editing and adding music and stuff like that. So I know it's not the best. It will improve, I promise. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put an end to the day of life. As you can see outside, it's nighttime. So I have nothing else really to film. And maybe I'll film one tomorrow. But yeah, we'll see. But yeah, if you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. Let me know what you want me to do in these day in the lives, and I will see you in the next one. Later.